They're also great at flying and gliding. And did you know seagulls can drink both salty seawater and fresh water? No wonder they're always at the beach. What other animals would you like to learn about?